Hey everyone, if your Samsung Odyssey G5 isn't turning on, don't worry, we've got you covered with some simple steps to fix it. Let's get started. First, check the basics. Make sure all cables, especially the power and video cables, are securely plugged in. A loose connection can sometimes be the culprit. Next, try plugging the monitor into a different power outlet. Check the power cord for any visible damage. If you have a spare cord, test that out too. Next, unplug the monitor. Hold the power button for 30 seconds and plug it back in and try turning it on. This can help reset any minor issues. Next, look at the LED light on the monitor. If it's off, there's no power. If it's on but the screen's blank, check your video connection or try a different cable. Next, head over to Samsung support site, download the latest firmware for your model and install it to fix any software bugs. Still not working? It might be time to contact Samsung support. Hope this helped. Like and subscribe for more tips. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.